everybody and welcome to Them Fast, the YouTube channel where you can find out everything you really want to know about cars. Today we have this beautiful Fiat 500 and this car is very nice. It's light blue on the outside and also on the inside. The dashboard is black and what I said, the light blue. And the top, the roof of this car, the roof line is very light, so the interior is pretty nice. I think it's a very nice interior, and today we are going to drive this this car and POV drive it for you. So enjoy the drive and let us know what you think of this car and which car you want to see on our channel. So this car is an automatic car, so it has a automatic gear shifter and you can override it by doing this or doing that. It also has a automatic mode and a manual mode, and if you pop it into manual it don't shift at all and you can shift yourself. And if you want this car to drive for you, then you put it in automatic. And you also have your neutral and the reverse, but of course we can't use this right now. It's a pretty nice day today, so enjoy this drive. Car we are driving today, it's this very nice Fiat 500 with this beautiful light blue color. It's, I think, pretty awesome, and it has some chrome details. The wheels are chrome too, the handles, and this little detail and the details over here. So that is really nice. it drives very fun. And yeah, go with me on this POV drive. And you also can adjust the steering by using this button. So as you can see, there comes a little light with city and it disappears. And if it is off, the steering is more firm. How slower you go, how easier the steering wheel is going. So you can imagine if you are driving in the city, it's pretty light to steer. Yeah, and actually you can leave this on because it firms up when you're driving faster. So it's new now, it is a little bit more firm than when you are driving more slowly. And now we're going for a little highway drive. Let's see how it performs. And you can override, as I said, manually, like this. That isn't good. So thanks for watching to this video. I hope you liked it. If you like, please subscribe and also give a thumbs up to our video, and see you guys in our next video. Ciao.